My two cats are having a second helping of chicken reveal. Well, Harriet's walking away. She was. I'm studying, but I won't study too long today because it's been a long week. I'll just get to the first quiz of this module and take the quiz. I was listening to a lot of music at work today, and I listened to this song. Hopefully you like it. I listened to a lot of other songs today. Maybe on the catwalk I'll play some of Nick's tunes rather than requests. Some of the music I listen to. A lot of it's like 90s and early 2000s music. Because I'm a millennial